Respire Pink AT offers
the larger key.
the special titration key.
It's got a nice large handle.
A lot bigger, so it's easier to hold.
And insert with easier instructions.
Majority of our patients who use the HERP style devices are seniors. And adjusting the mechanism is extremely difficult due to manual dexterity issues. With the Respire Pink AT appliance, you insert the key to advance the device forward, you can keep it in and just turn it for older patients and to understand how to turn that to advance the mandible forward.